Welcome back. Now that you've had a chance to review the interview and assessment charting, the following should be a breeze. In this video, we will be breaking down the steps to chart your treatment, home care, and reassessment. Let's return to our client's profile to complete our reassessments. Click Chart and scroll down to your assessments entry. Click on the entry and head to the post-treatment sections of this chart and document your reassessments. Once you have recorded your reassessments, close, not lock, and locate your C Term 2 and 3 or 4 and 5 treatment report. Click on the entry and scroll down to the section titled Passive Treatment Modalities. Check the modalities used during treatment and include the areas treated in the comment boxes found to the right of the modality. Repeat for the active treatment modalities, checking boxes for the modalities used and areas treated in the comments box. If you have included a modality in your treatment that is not listed, please note the Other option at the bottom of both passive and active modalities. In the corresponding comment box, you will note the modality and area it was used. Next is our Goals and Modality Confirmation comments box. Here you will record your modality confirmations and any applicable comments. Please note the prompts in this section to assist you in your confirmation notes. Next is drop-down menu to select Yes or No to Management Plan on File. Select Yes or No and continue. Below this is another drop-down menu to confirm consent was either maintained or modified. If modification was made, please head down to the box below labeled Consent Modifications and make any applicable notes about consent here. Our last section in the treatment chart is our home care instructions and recommendations for next treatment. Put a check next to the home care provided and record your FIDs and instructions in the comment box to the right. In the box labeled Compensatory Structures Not Treated, add any areas or considerations for your client's next visit. Now it is time to sign off with your clinic instructor. The clinic instructor will review your reassessment and treatment charts with you. Once the assessment chart has been reviewed, the clinic instructor will sign their name as a signature or type their name in. Once again, please note the signature must be done by the clinic instructor only and not typed in or signed by the intern. Once the assessment chart has been signed, the intern will lock the chart with the clinic instructor present and move on to review the treatment chart. Review your treatment chart with the clinic instructor, who will again sign their name as a signature or type their name in the post-treatment area at the bottom of the page. Once the post-treatment has been signed, the intern will lock the chart with the clinic instructor present. At this time, all charts should now be signed by the clinic instructor and locked. The treatment chart we have just gone over is for Term 2 and 3. Let's take a look at the treatment chart for Term 4 and 5. Heading back up to New Chart Entry, please select C, Term 4 and 5 Treatment Report. Looking at this chart, you will note that the charting is identical to previous terms, with the only difference being the modalities listed for passive and active. Congratulations, you're done. Once again, for some of you, interns and clinic instructors alike, this may seem either overwhelming or straightforward based on your familiarity with Jane charting. It will take some of us longer to get comfortable and savvy, as we all learn at a different pace. Please adopt an attitude of patience, kindness, and respect with one another as we all navigate the learning curve and new protocols of electronic charting. Thanks, folks. Happy charting!